In this lesson, we are going to learn to say, "How are you?" "I'm good," "Thank you," and "Long time no see." So, we start with, "How are you?" 你好吗? Please repeat after me. 你好吗? 你好吗? 你好吗 is made of 3 words. 你 means you, 好 means good, and 吗 is to be used at the end of a sentence to indicate a question has been asked. Also, 吗 has a higher intonation. 你好吗? 你好吗? If you were to ask the same question to an elderly person or in a business environment, you would change 你好吗 to 您好吗? 您好吗? Next, we learn to say, "I'm fine, thank you." 我很好，谢谢。我很好，谢谢。我很好，谢谢 is made of 2 phrases. 我很好 and 谢谢。我 means I. 很好 means very good. And 谢谢 means thank you. Please repeat after me. 我很好，谢谢。我很好，谢谢。Next, we learn to say, "Long time no see." 好久不见。Please repeat after me. 好久不见。好久不见。好久不见 is made of 3 words. 好久 means long time. 不 means no. 见 means to see or to meet. 好久不见. So, in this lesson, you have learned to say, 你好吗? How are you? 您好吗? How are you? 我很好，谢谢。I'm fine, thank you. 好久不见。Long time no see. Once you're comfortable with these greetings, click on the next lesson and I will see you there.